Hi, and welcome to day 16 of our 30-day challenge. I'm going to have everyone start off in child's pose. So at the center of your mat, coming over the legs, forehead to the floor. The knees can either be together or apart. Just let everything become nice and heavy. Coming to the breath. And then taking a nice inhale breath through the nose, and on the exhale, open the mouth and say ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale through the mouth, exhale. Last one. This time, inhaling through the nose. On the exhale, we'll begin through the mouth, closing the mouth, creating the same sound through the nose. Inhale. Begin through the mouth, close the mouth. Last one. And then just take a few more breaths in and out through the nose. Still creating that ujjayi sound on the exhale. Last one. And then reaching the arms long out in front. And on the inhale, coming up into table pose, curl the toes under, and on the exhale, coming to down dog. Take a couple of breaths here, just walking the dog, opening through the back of the legs. And then come to center. And on the next inhale, we'll come all the way forward to plank pose, and on the exhale, back to down dog. Inhale forward, and exhale back. Nice and strong through the legs, not letting the hips sag as you come forward. Trying to keep the heart center melted. 2 more. Keep that ujjayi breath engaged. Last one, come to plank and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale fully and exhale back to down dog. Take the right foot only forward between the hands. Release the left knee to the ground. Take an inhale breath here, and on the exhale, we're going to straighten the front leg. Inhale, bend into that front knee, and exhale, straighten it. See if you can draw the toes and the ball of the foot up with you. As you inhale and come forward, the belly comes on to the thigh, and as you exhale and press back, try and keep the belly as close to the thigh as you can. This one, when we come to a nice straight front leg, stay. Stay with the breath. Last one. Come forward, release the foot, keep the hands down, bend the back knee, opposite side. Right hand comes around the back, grab a hold of the top of the foot, drop the hips forward. Bend nice and deep through that front knee. Come back to that ujjayi breath if you've lost it. 2. Last one, stay for the exhale. Gently release the foot, plant the hands, curl the toes, step it back to down dog. Left foot forward between the hands. Again, release the back knee. Flatten out the top of the foot. Inhale, and on the exhale, straighten the front leg. On the inhale, rock forward, bend into the front knee. And on the exhale, come back, straighten the leg. Stay with your breath. And as you come forward, the belly comes onto the thigh. And as you press back, you're trying to keep the belly as close as you can. 2 more. Good. Last one. We come to a nice straight front leg this time. We're going to stay. Draw the toes up. Draw the ball of the foot up if you can. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. And on the exhale, see if you can come a little bit deeper. Come back to the ujjayi breath. And then release forward, bend the knee, drop the hips forward. So left hand comes behind the back this time. Bend that back knee, grab a hold of the top of the foot, drop the hips forward. Stay with the breath. With each exhale, release any amount of tension you can from the front of that right thigh. Last breath. Stay for the exhale. Gently release the foot, curl the toes, and step it back to down dog. Inhale, forward to plank, lower down, exhale. Cobra or up dog, inhale, and down dog, exhale. Release the knees to the floor and again press back into child's pose. Come back to the breath if you've lost it. Take the left hand on to the left heel. We're coming into half camel. So on the inhale, right arm comes all the way up and open. And on the exhale, back to camel. Alternating sides. This time, left arm up and open. And exhale, back to camel. Right. Left. And this time, when we come right arm open, we're going to stay. If you want to curl the left toes under, you can. Stay lifted through the heart center and breathe. One more. On the exhale, back to child's pose. Stay for one full breath in and out. Other side. Same thing. Curl the right toes if you'd like. Keep the heart center lifted. Last one. And back to child's pose. One full breath in and out. If you'd like to pause the video here and do your inversion practice, you can. If not, make your way back onto your back. So, down dog, step forward, and come on to the back. Keep the knees drawn into the chest. Let the legs over to the right. Turn the head away from the legs, toward the left. Again, coming back to the breath. In and out through the nose. Letting everything be nice and heavy. Last breath on this side. And then we're going to come through center and over to the other side. Again, head turns away from the legs over to the feet. Letting everything be nice and heavy. Dog in the center, give them one last hug. And when you're ready, send them toward the front of the mat for Shavasana. Let the toes roll out to the sides, palms facing up, and gentle tuck of the chin, softening the muscles of the face, neck, and jaw. And then just begin lengthening and deepening the breath, bringing movement to the hands and the feet. One at a time, drawing the knees into the chest. Gently rocking side to side, making your way over onto the right side. And then pushing yourself up into a comfortable seated position. We'll come into Kali Mudra, so lacing all of the fingers except the index. Ladies, left thumb over right. Gentlemen, right thumb over left. Placing the hands between the heart center and the throat center. We're going to repeat silently to ourselves, I speak my inner truth. Inhale and exhale and begin. Last one. Inhale and exhale, releasing hands to heart center. Namaste.